I just like to ask which reference book and material you refer for verbal part, and apart from GMAT Club, have you appeared for mock test from somewhere else, and where have you practiced questions, especially for verbal part?
Thanks, Abhishek. First of all, and second thing, like I have, first of all, like initial days when I was getting lectures from Hassan sir, I solved verbal of material only. And after that, I went into official questions. I saw the read official book as plus as the advanced verbal review questions. Then I went for GMAT Club, and after GMAT Club, I like in GMAT Club, you will have questions from different sources. So I stick to that, and time after time after I was returning to official sources to again set up a base. So I was keep on returning to official questions after a certain period of time. And yeah, majorly in verbal, I solved from GMAT Club only. And about the mocks, I have given all the mocks like of GMAT, Kaplan, Princeton, Manhattan Review. I have taken the premium of Manhattan Review, in which they gave 6 questions. Verbal is there, like verbal that they present in their exam are kind of difficult at a higher difficulty than verbal, than the official GMAT Club. So if you are thinking of doing practice of harder questions, you can take that mock. Easy Maths, Six Sigma, Princeton, like whichever gave official questions, like they give most of the coaching centers, they give one free test. So I've taken that. And apart from that, I had questions, I had also VerbalHub and Manhattan. And also I've got all the official paper.